Biden student loan forgiveness. The details of Biden's student loan forgiveness program. If you have student loans, you probably don't have enough money to pay them off. The interest rates are high, and the payments are really expensive in comparison to your income. However, you can use these two factors to your advantage by filing for student loan forgiveness through the Biden Student Loan Forgiveness Program. With this program, if you work at an eligible government or nonprofit job that qualifies as a public service job, you may be eligible to have all of your federal student loans forgiven after 10 years of full-time employment or part-time employment totaling at least 30 hours per week over 10 years. Background of the student loan crisis. In the United States, there is a student loan crisis. The average U.S. graduate will owe $37,172 in loans at graduation. This number increases to $57,600 by the time they reach 30 years old. With this much debt, it is difficult for graduates to purchase homes and cars, start families or buy new clothes for their jobs.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did.
Why can't I afford my loans? It's hard to feel like you have any control when it comes to student loans. You want to do the right thing and make on-time payments, but it can be hard when your salary doesn't go as far as it used to because the cost of living keeps going up. With recent changes in the tax code that limit deductions for student loan payments, many people are finding themselves unable to afford their monthly loan payment. This can lead borrowers into a cycle where they try and find extra money at the end of each month, only making matters worse by creating an unsustainable living situation. Is there a way out? It is true that there are ways for some to get out of their student loan debt. But, it is important to recognize that these programs are very limited in what they offer and require a lot from the borrowers. With the exception of forgiveness programs, which allow for a person's balance to be paid off if they meet certain conditions, most plans offer relief through interest rates and repayment plans. If you are struggling with your loans and can't find a solution on your own, it might be time to explore these options. What about income-based repayment, IBR? Income-based repayment is a repayment plan that caps the monthly payment on federal student loans at an amount that is based on a person's income. This plan may be best for those who anticipate lower incomes in the future, such as recent graduates who are starting out in careers with low salaries. It can also be beneficial for borrowers who have experienced financial hardship and need more time to repay their student loans. IBR can offer more affordable monthly payments, but it does not get rid of the debt or provide any type of forgiveness program if you are still making payments after 25 years. What should I do now if I want to use this program? If you want to use this program, it is best to start by speaking with your student loan provider and letting them know that you plan on applying for the forgiveness program. They can help you figure out which loans are eligible for the forgiveness program and guide you through the application process. How will the program impact me? This is a tricky one because not everyone will be able to take advantage of the program. If you are currently a graduate student or have already graduated with qualifying loans, then this might be great for you. The program targets those who have a lot of debt and those who have low income, 150% below the poverty line. It has been estimated that an average borrower in these groups would save $30,000 on their loans. If you're not eligible, consider refinancing your loan with Earnest, which can help lower your rate and make payments more manageable. What are people saying about the Biden student loan forgiveness plan? Biden's plan, which he unveiled during a speech at the University of Miami, would cancel up to $25,000 in student loan debt for any borrower whose income is less than $100,000 and who makes payments on their loans each month. He also proposes forgiving up to $50,000 in student loan debt for borrowers with an income below $250,000. It will be totally free, said Biden. No payments are required. The plan would apply to Americans with federal loans who are earning less than a certain amount of money, and it would cover any amount that is owed above what their monthly payments are.
Looking to open a gold IRA? Stop. Right now. Buyers beware. Gold IRAs are unregulated. Gold IRA companies are not all alike. Some use lies, gimmicks, and high-pressure tactics like the excessive free silver scheme to push you into starting a gold IRA with them. And that's wrong. With one wrong decision, you could be facing large hidden charges that reduce the value of your funds for years. Let us help you avoid a costly mistake. You can easily learn how to avoid falling for those scams by getting our guides, 10 Gold IRA Dealer Lies, and 15 Bad Reasons to Buy Gold and Silver. If you are looking to do a Gold IRA, this is a must. Click here to get the guide and find out how to get a Gold IRA the right way.
See our video on the top Gold IRA companies by clicking the link at the left side of the screen now. Please visit our website at givemethegold.com to learn more about Gold IRAs and investing in gold and other precious metals. Thanks for watching.